Okay, so this is just a quick tutorial on how to make your own Quizlet study sets. So even if you're not logged in or signed in, you'll see that there's a Create tab here. So whether you have an account or not, you can always just bypass everything and just click Create New Study Set. Now, it'll prompt you here to sign up or whatever. And I already have an account? I do. I'll just continue with Google here. And then I'll see my DE Gmail account. And voila, here we are. So I could say, well, whatever the title of whatever you're doing is. So maybe you're studying sound. So we'll say sound, what have you, whatever you want to title it. For me, I'll call this tutorial. How to make your own Quizlet set. We'll call it study set. Boom. Okay. And down here, I can put my information. So I'll put my term. And the definition. I can even put image. Oh, cool. Look at that. We'll put that as me. And I can, ooh, look at that. Put sound and, ooh, awesomeness. Okay, and in any case, if I need to add more, if I have more than 5 terms, I can just click add a card and keep going. Right, now let's say, oh, I hit too many. I need to get rid of one of these. There's a little garbage can icon over here. I can click delete and delete, and then I can continue filling in as I go. And blah, 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 blah. And look, there's even a speak option, so you can add a voice recording. Ooh, I think that's mainly the teacher options though, so I won't discuss any of this stuff. Okay, and now I'm all done. I've got my images. You had no images for that. Go figure. And I can click create. And once I click create, boom, here we go. It's going to bring up this box. Now I've asked you to share a link with me. So here it is. Here's your link. And you can click copy and you can paste that into your document. Now, let's say you just are like, oh, I'm done with that. Oh, shoot, I forgot my link. Where do I get my link? There's a little share tab right there. So now that you're on your study set, just scroll down a little bit. And if you're on the mobile app, it will look a little bit different, but the icon, the share icon is the same. And it will bring you back and then you can get your link there. Okay, so that's how you can get your link. And once you're done, feel free. You can host your own live sessions and you can challenge your peers. And that would be the most wonderful thing in the world, is to have you guys generate your own Quizlets, and then we can play against one another and compete with our different Quizlet study sets that we've generated. Okay, super quick video, but that's how it's done. And one more thing before we go, I suppose, is important. What if you need to add more things? At the bottom, you'll see it says add or remove. So there's an edit. You can edit here, and then there's also an edit icon here. I always choose to do this one because if I have to add or remove terms, I can do that. And it brings me right back to that same, and I can click done. But the individual edit is great too. It allows you to edit one thing at a time if you only have to edit one. And then when you click off, it's done. And then this, of course, would allow me to edit the name of the top part too. So it brings you right to the top, even though it's the same as the other options I showed you. Okay, that's it. Good luck. Au revoir.